student, how are you? I hope you all are perfectly fine at your home and enjoying the online classes from LPM Public School. This is Akanksha Pandey from LPM Public School. I am your subject teacher of science. Students, as we know that your chapter number 6 is in proceeding, and as I know you all explanation related to this chapter is over, and the sum exercise has been solved by ourselves. And now today I am going to explain your exercise. Give two examples for the following. Students, let us see your question number first. How plants respond to changes around them. Students, as we know that the all living things feel changes around them. So plants are also a living things, but they cannot move. But some plants they can move, as like the mimosa plants and lotus also. So in this question you have to write the answer of this question. Your first example is mimosa and another one is lotus. Spelling of mimosa Mimosa, and second spelling of lotus Lotus. Mimosa, when we touch the mimosa plant, then the leaves of mimosa is become closed. And about the lotus, the petals of lotus open with the sunrise and close with the sunset. Every day when the sun rises, then the lotus is open, and with the sunset the lotus is became closed. And now another one, next question is animals that breathe through air holes in their body. Which animals breathe through air holes in their body? Do you know, student? As we know, the some animals they can breathe through their air holes in their body. That is cockroach, mosquitoes. First example is cockroach. Spelling of cockroach Cockroaches, and another one is mosquitoes. Spelling of mosquitoes Mosquitoes. So students, animals that breathe through air holes in their body, those are cockroach and mosquitoes. And now third question is animals that have antenna. Which animals that have antenna, students? Which animals? Students, as we know that the some animals have antenna, as like the grasshopper and butterfly. Spelling of grasshopper GRASSHOPPER. And another one is butterfly. Spelling of butterfly BUTTERFLY. And now question number 4. Non-living things that can move. Which non-living things that can move, students? As we know that the non-living things they cannot move, but they can move with the help of by the help of other. So first example is aeroplane. Aeroplane is moved by the pilot. It means. And another second example is motorbike. It's both are non-living things, but they can move. And fifth, plants that give rise to new plants with the help of their roots. What is the example of plants that give rise to new plants with the help of their roots? Students, your first example is potatoes and another one is carrot. Spelling of potatoes, Potatoes, and second Carrot. Students, now repeat again how plants respond to change around them. Your example is mimosa and lotus. Second, animals that breathe through air holes in their body. Example is cockroach and mosquitoes. Third, animals that have antenna. Example is grasshopper and butterfly. And fourth, non-living things that can move. Example are aeroplanes and motorbike. And fifth, plants that give rise to new plants with the help of their roots. Example are potatoes and carrot. And now students, let us come to the next question. Name any 5 features of living things. But students, here we will describe the features of living things, not the name of features. Your first feature of living things, as we know that living things can move on their own. So living things can move on their own. So this is your first features of living things. And now second is living things grow with time. As we know that all living things can grow, and they can grow with the time. And now next, living things need air to breathe. All living things need air to breathe. And fourth, living things need food to grow. All living things need food to grow because the food gives us energy and power to do the work. And last, living things reproduce. So this is the 5 features of living things. Now repeat again. Your first feature is living things can move on their own. Second is living things grow with time. Third is living things need air to breathe. Fourth is living things need food to grow. And fifth is living things reproduce. And now student, let us come. Your third question is, with the help of examples, mention 2 ways in which plants show movement. As we know that some plants shows the movement, and in my previous questions we have also learned about the mimosa and lotus. So first example is mimosa. The leaves of mimosa plants close when touches, thus plant shows movement. And next, lotus. A lotus flowers open out at sunrise and close at night. Now repeat again. The leaves of mimosa plant close when touched, thus plant shows movement. And next, lotus. A lotus flower open out at sunrise and close at night. So students, this is your 3 question. First question is, give 2 example for the following. And second is, answer the following question has been done. So you have to write in your fair copy and CW copy also, and learn also this all question. Students, and thanks for watching this video, and we will meet again in my next video. I recommend that you have also watched my previous video. Thanks a lot and goodbye. Take care.